Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be showing you the video tool Vimeo Create. When you first log into Vimeo, you can select the Create tab on the left. You'll be brought to a page where you can either start from scratch or create a template that you want to use. There's a wide selection that you can choose from. Today we'll be using this one. As you can see, nearly everything is customizable, which gives you a lot of control over your video creation process. The text color can be changed. You can pick from the color palette or a whole new color if you want. You can also scale the different sizes of the text. You can also move it around wherever you like. There's a bar at the bottom for you to toggle between the scenes. And you can also easily replace the media in your video. Choose from stock images from Vimeo's library, or you can also upload if you want to. Today we'll be using the stock images. Once you've replaced it, you can also preview how it would look like. At the toolbar on the left, you can change the style of your video if you want. There's quite a few options for you to choose from. You can also add music to your video. There are a few recommended options, and you can hover over them for a preview before selection. Move to the All Music tab if you don't like the recommendations. Likewise, you can also hover over them for a preview before you select them. You can also toggle the format of the video, or even change the overall color scheme according to the color palettes provided. You can also add your own brand colors. You can easily delete a scene that you don't want. And you can also easily edit the text just by clicking the text box. Create a preview. You can click the Finalize button at the top, which allows you to add a title and toggle privacy options. You can also go back to edit if you want. If not, finalize it. And done. Wait for it to upload. You can also distribute the videos straight from the Vimeo Create to your linked social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thank you for watching our video.